I'm done! Alam mo yung batang pinapakita niya yung artwork niya sa nanay niya. It's me. Yeah, I'm done. Actually, hindi ako ganito kagaling. Nagsasearch ako sa Pinterest kung anong pwedeng gayahin. Kasi mas mabilis ako kapag ganito kaysa sa yung sariling utak ko yung ginagamit ka. Usually, it takes me 2 hours. Pakita ko na lang din sa inyo yung kinolor ko nung isang araw. Tada! Thank you! Yan lang. Good morning, friends! Okay, so today's shoot day. And magcha-check lang kami ni Mark ng mga stores. Kasi maghahanap pa kami ng damit namin for the shoot today. Though meron naman na kaming mga na-plan. Ito, half to. Ayan. Ito. This one. And then meron din sa maleta dito. Pero parang wala kasing, alam mo yun, walang giving. So, let's go. Shy ka.
I'm not shy.
Sabi ko kay Justin kanina, shy siya. Sabi niya, no. Wrong na naman ako, friend. Wrong na naman ako.
Yung first impression namin, amin yun. Diba? Amin yun eh. Kaya... Ano po, sir?
Kunin mo!
One, two, three, go.
Ganun pala.
One, two, three, go.
Hindi ko agalaw. Baka ko na lang to.
Go. Ano na ba iba pa mo na yun?
Ano yung pawa?
Tingin, nakuha ko ba? Yun o, ganda nun.
Ay. Tuwa siya.
Shot by Meg.
Reflect mo.
Reflectorized by Pam Pam.
Okay, time check. 8:47 p.m. And kakauwi ko lang. Tapos na yung event today. And can I just say, ang ganda ng glam ko today. Si Pam yung gumawa. Very eggyosal ang vibe. And the hair, of course, tinanggal ko na yung extension ko. Kasi kapag naka-pony ako, nakakahilo talaga. Kasi medyo mabigat yung extension. Pero this time, Justin, if you're watching this time, hindi na ganun kalala yung migraine. So, kapag nagpo-pony kami, this ganda level talaga. Pero tignan nyo naman, like, snatch. Anyway, I'm gonna remove my makeup na. Kahit ang ganda-ganda niya. Kahit medyo ayaw ko siyang tanggalin. Pero, I wanna do some walking tonight. Okay, look. Ito yung difference ng mata ko kapag may makeup and walang makeup. The power of makeup. Okay. Grabe yun. I'm back from my run. Naka 5 km kami in the span of 43 minutes. Wild. Look at my powers. Kadiri yung vest ko. By the way, itong vest ko is from Lazada. Hinabot ko lang magka 10,000 steps ako before mag 12 o'clock. Good job, self. Good job, self. Okay, so for dinner or brunch, no, nag-breakfast ako. So, lunch/dinner. We have a food delivery from Honey Jubu. Looks so good. Okay, so sabi dito, i-pull ko lang to. Okay, there. For now. Oh. Oh. Okay. Wait lang. Paano ko ililipat to? Feeling ko kailangan ko siyang ilipat sa exhaust ko. Kasi baka mag-fire alarm. Mainit na. Ay! It looks so good. Taste test. Wow. It's so yummy. And for reference kasi, feel ko kaya very authentic feel siya. Si Ellie kasi, Korean siya. So, maybe that's why. Wowza. This one is good also. Bravo! So far, yung favorite ko is itong bulgogi rice bowl nila. Panalo. And then next ko is yung chichibap nila. Very on the go. Ang galing, Ellie. It's so good. Guys, my dream yoga mat is finally here! This one is from Lululemon. Nag-sale kasi sila. And I've been wanting this one every time na nag-iibang bansa ako. Pero sabi ko, ang laki niya sa maleta, and ang bigat niya. So, gagamitin ko na siya. Kaya nakapang-workout na rin ako. And may added gear ako. Parang added weights lang siya sa arms ko para, I don't know, pag nag-hot girl walk ako, para mas mabigat yung arms ko. And good quality siya, ha. Ito. This one. From Lazada. Good morning. Guess who's back? Back again. Shady's back. I'm gonna do my daily walk. Pero sa treadmill lang siguro. And ang cute ng outfit ko today. Hinila ko lang siya dun sa drawer ko. Sabi ko, daily walk lang naman. Hindi naman kailangan cute yung outfit ko. And then pag suot ko, I'm like, okay. Itong shorts na to, actually, regalo to nila daddy. Kasi alam nila na mag-fitness era ako this year. This one is from mommy. This one is from daddy. Yeah. Oh, look at my socks. Ang cute. May ribbon din siya. Just a girl.
3, 4, 5.
Okay, I am running out of time. I'm not sure if I'm really happy with my outfit. Pero I have itong big hoops, or wag ba ako mag-big hoop? Okay, and then lipstick. I'm gonna line using my MAC Spice per usual. And then itong taupe na Maximal Lippy. This one is really nice. There! Let's do a quick blush from Patrick to. And then, a bit of shimmer dito sa inner corner ng eyes ko since wala akong lashes para nakaka-brighten ng face. I don't know if it's a vibe, pero based naman sa mirror, it looks like a vibe. Okay, let's go! Okay, so yung dumating is a package from On. And binili ko to personally kasi matagal ko nang inabangan yung size ko sa website nila online. Let's open it! Okay, so this is the design. Ang ganda niya! It's this one? Oh, it's so pretty. Look at that. So happy. Excited na ako mag-jogging bukas. Or kahit mag-walk lang. Actually, mag-gym in general. So, time check, 7:28 p.m. And I'm on my way sa birthday dinner ng boyfriend ko with his family. Kahapon kasi kaming dalawa lang, tapos yung friends. Pero hindi ko na vlog yung with friends kasi, I don't know, I just wanna enjoy the moment. And then ngayon, I'm on my way sa dinner. This is the fit. Itong glasses na to, whole new personality ko na siya. Sobrang sulit kasi wala akong makeup ngayon kasi nag-try pa ako mag-reach ng 10,000 steps before ako mag-dinner, which is right now. So, ayan, quick OOTD lang. Let's go.